This video mechanicsgram will build upon our previous video mechanicsgram, addressing when it is appropriate to take an angle distance play at first base in foul territory. In order for umpires to take an angle distance play at first base from foul territory, two conditions must be met. First, the umpire must feel pressure from the fielder making the throw to open a clear throwing angle to first base. Secondly, tracking the throw by the umpire would require rapid eye movement when positioning in fair territory. In the first condition, pressure is defined by plays that would require the umpire to track the throw over his shoulder and into first base. On the 60-foot diamond, this would likely only occur on plays in which the right fielder attempts to put out the batter runner at first base. Even if the second baseman fields the ball hard to his left on the 60-foot diamond, as shown in this clip, the umpire should still take a position in fair territory, provided this position does not require rapid eye movement by the umpire when tracking the ball into first base. Most commonly, the only time an umpire should position in foul territory for angle distance plays at first base are plays in which the second baseman fields a ground ball deep in the hole to the fielder's left, typically on big diamonds only, or on plays in which the right fielder attempts to put out the batter runner at first base. In both instances, notice that the angle of the throw would require the umpire to take the throw over his shoulder, making each of these good examples of when it is permissible for umpires to take an angle distance play at first base in foul territory. One common misconception to address regarding positioning in foul territory for angle distance plays at first base involves foot race plays or run and roll plays in which either the pitcher or second baseman covers first base. Note that in both of these situations, umpires should still position in fair territory. On both foot race plays and run and roll situations, umpires want to avoid positioning in foul territory because such a position puts either the runner or the fielder between the umpire and the base. In this clip, note that as the umpire moves into foul territory on this foot race play, the batter runner and the fielders interfere with the umpire's viewing angle on this play, making it difficult for the umpire to track whose foot touched when in order to make the correct call. Instead, umpires should take such plays in fair territory by shortening the distance between the umpire and the base in order to read whose foot reached the base first to make the correct call. And as the umpire shortens the distance between him and the base, the umpire should also stay in the wedge between the fielder and the batter runner to clearly see whose foot touches the base first.